Okay guys, you get to see that this is Essential Oil Hoarder Part 2. I'm going to show you where the real stash is. As you know, I used to have a store, so we did a lot of bottling, and we have hundreds of oils. Yes, these are all new essential oils here. Now, we did make bottles for classes, so all of these oils, you can see I got quite a few. There's my Flute Buster blend. All of these. Yes, I know you're probably saying, why do you buy Young Living and doTERRA oils if you have all of this? That's a good question. Okay, so you can see this is what used to be in our shop. We had the cutest little shop. It was all tiki hut. I loved it. I bought all of these pieces on, I think it was on eBay, and I got in touch with someone in Vietnam who actually made a lot of these pieces. So we had really a cute shop. Let me show you over here some of the stuff. It's hard to part with it, even though I've been paying for this storage unit for like 2 or 3 years. And you know, you always, when you get rid of stuff and then the next month you go, oh shit, why did I get rid of that? I should have kept it. Well, that's one of those things, and I've been paying for it dearly here. Could have bought this stuff over and over and over again, right? Actually, I've looked on Amazon and eBay. This stuff doesn't exist anymore. I mean, you just can't find it. So I figure if I ever do anything again, I'll just grab all this. But basically, I am running my business from here as well as at home. I do all the work on my desk and everything. But when it comes to storing my books, because I have written 55 books, I have to keep them somewhere, right? This is a climate controlled area, and it's locked in a nice little space. We got a double size unit here, and let me turn this around so you can see it. We have a big space and a lot of room. What's missing here is all the office furniture and stuff. We brought it home thinking we were going to sell it on a yard sale. Didn't do it. It's sitting in my garage now. So I do still have quite a bit. And like I was saying, these are the books for inventory. You know, things that we do fulfillment through Amazon and other places that sell our books, like cleaning. I have the pregnancy. That's a new book that I wrote. I love that book. Got the perfume, natural perfume with essential oils. I've got my organic beauty. These are some of the Christian books I wrote many years ago, and I just have a few pieces left of those, just nostalgia. The Anoint with Oil, it's a very good seller. It's a great book. And then I have smaller ones that we did. We started the Rebecca the Well Foundation, and we were using those for our ministry when we were traveling. Then Heal with Oil. And I'm working on a new one. It's been sitting on my computer for a year, and I just never published it. These are more of our Christian titles. They're shorter books. But we do keep some on hand for fulfillment and just to have available for the websites and things like that. Other than that, this is my library. Ow. This is the library of books that I have on aromatherapy. Of course, now you can do so much research online. You know, it's hard to go pick up a book and look on, and look at a hardcover book. But I have a lot of books. When I was writing a lot more, I would buy every book on the market on that topic and just look at things, see what they had available. Because I wanted to make sure my book was unique and different from everybody else's. And, I didn't want to use what somebody else has already done. So I used to do a lot of research. Hours and hours. These guys. Now, These are hard covers, or not hard covers, they're actually notebooks loaded with all the curriculum that I've written for Aroma Hut in them. Yeah, I know it's a little old-fashioned to keep hard covers or hard copies of things, but you know, you never know. Electronic might fail us one day, and we'll be glad we have it. So we have quite a few things. I got soap, literally a box of soap. This was something we sold in our shop when we were in Gulfport, and we had a really, really cute shop. We made products taxes, so you can see all that stuff. So got a lot of things. We also, when we did classes, we wanted to keep bottles and supplies on hand. I do fill orders. I'm not making products as much as I used to, but for the sake of having supplies for classes, you know, I'd have bath salts ready, have the little spray bottles ready, have the bottles for people to use in class and everything, you know, just to make it, have it all ready to go. So anyway, of course, you don't need to do all this now. You can practically run the entire business from your home. You don't need to have a storage unit full of a bunch of stuff like I do, because I literally got perfume strips, lotion bottles, spray bottles. These are all filled. All of these are filled with stuff. This is my, actually it's a distiller. I'm going to show you guys how to distill essentials in another video. But anyway, okay, well, anyway, I just wanted to show you that there is more to it than just what I showed you. I'm a little bit of a hoarder when it comes to essentials. And actually, I mean, I've been trying to get rid of these for years. They just seem to grow. Yeah, you can get quite a bit out of a bottle like this, 96-ounce bottle. So, you know, got a lot of rules. And everything that is here is actually our office away from home, in air storage, and how we run our business from here in Aroma Hut. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.